Hi everybody. Well, this is my part 3 of my Beebeecraft products, and I had a whole lot of fun with this, but unfortunately I can't do it on video because, and even fast forwarding it would take forever. So it was not easy putting all these little tiny glass glitters, okay, one piece or few pieces at a time inside the little glass bulbs. It just took so long. It took me about 2 hours because I sat there and I watched The Office 4 different episodes. I know it was like 2 hours. And yeah, so I did 12 for my bracelet, and then I did some of these necklace and earrings. But yeah, it's kind of self-explanatory. They're so tiny, the hole is. And what I had to do is just kind of put some of the pieces, you know, on the table. And I used my finger. I was using one of those little sticky pens, you know, with the putty on the tip, but it worked better just with my finger to grab it like that, push down, and then feed it into the little bubble, you know, like this. You understand. So pretty much I just was taking them like that. I licked my finger quite a bit. Look at how time consuming. So it took me a long time. So I just thought I'd show you everything. You put that one back in there because I love these, and I'm going to use the rest of these and stuff for more pendants, for some gifts, and for some craft ideas. So I really love these a whole lot. And also my glitters I'll use for crafts. But anyway, this is the bracelet I made, and I'm really loving it. I think it's pretty. Okay, so we're going to have to, and I was going to put it on and model it, but you know what? I don't have model hands. So, and the another thing too is what I need to get is a little tiny alligator clamp. But look at how pretty, all the different glitters in there. It's pretty. I like the sound it makes. Always like the sound bracelets make. Anyway, it's just pretty. And I put those little studs on there. Little tiny studs of diamond studs. So all the different color bottles. I love them. Love it very much. So I could wear this with, I probably would not wear this with my earrings and my necklace though, because it would be too much, you know. But I'll show you what I did. So one of my favorite colors is aquamarine or turquoise. So I made some little earrings. Where's that? Where's the other one? See, I probably won't wear the bracelets with this set, but pretty. They're so cute, aren't they? I just love them. So that's easy to figure out too. All these were. And these are my silver chains I use all the time. It's cute. So there's that one. And then let's see, I have a silver because I love silver, and I have lots of silver earrings I wear when I go out. They're cute on me too. And no, I'm not gonna model in person. I don't like to be on camera. I don't like my picture taken. I'm like so totally overweight. It's unreal. And anytime I see a picture of myself, I'm like, oh my Lord, take it away. So, yeah, I have a video of what I look like somewhere down in that. Anyway, here's another one. Isn't that pretty? I like them. I actually love this set because it looks so pretty with my earrings. Yeah, I'll probably wear this separate though. It's just too much when you got like earrings, bracelet, and necklace all matching. So, but I'll definitely wear the earrings and the pendants. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do with this one. I have this gold one. And I need to get some gold hoops. Because I don't have the gold hoops. To put that on my gold chain. And then I need to get some gold earrings. To make a matching set of earrings with it. Well, I just thought I would show it to you. And tell me what you think. I think it's cute. Just love it. Yeah, I will make more. I have plenty more left, although I did use quite a bit. Only have like 4 of the tops for the silver. But I thought I'd make some for my granddaughter and my daughter. So I'll go ahead and set these out here. That way I can take a picture of it. But, yeah, Beebeecraft's got lots of cute little things for making jewelry, especially. Oh, my goodness. And I realized, too, doing these, I need to get me some of those jewelry players, I guess that was not easy getting all those on with this. I used this little tiny thing I had and a eyebrow tweezer for the other one. But yeah, it was time consuming doing these because they're so tiny. But that's it. So tell me what you guys think about it. I think it's pretty. And I'll enjoy wearing them. It's always fun just to wear something. Makes you feel special, to wear something that you made. And they're pretty. They're not big and bulky. And I don't really care for big and bulky stuff. So that's why I really like them. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing awesome. I'm going to have a good weekend. I plan on doing a painting tonight. So I will catch you guys later, okay? Have a good one. Bye-bye now.